Welcome. Today we're going to review the Deeper Connect Mini. Now this small device creates a VPN or virtual private network on your home network, and for providing that network you get rewarded in cryptocurrency. We'll look at where you can purchase this miner. We'll go through an analysis of what this mines, and then we'll also do a short break-even analysis and earnings analysis on this miner. We'll review my results so far, and then finally I'll go through some pros and cons that I've found with mining this miner over the last 4 months. Let's get started. If you're enjoying this type of content, please hit that like button. It really does help the channel. Thank you. All right, first let's go over what Deeper Network is. Deeper Network combines blockchain, network security, and sharing economy to create a global peer-to-peer network that empowers the real users of internet and paves the way for the next generation of the web. You can see here there's currently over 50,000 nodes in over 150 countries. And then what is a DPN, a decentralized private network? So this is similar to a virtual private network, except this is decentralized. Decentralized private network is a peer-to-peer decentralized bandwidth sharing network for bypassing censorships and ensuring privacy. The network is serverless and distributed. User data can never be logged, leaked, hacked, or subpoenaed. Each node operator is empowered to be both a client and a server. Node operators earn mining rewards for contributing bandwidth to the network. And then mining incentivization ensures the robustness of the network compared to traditional peer-to-peer network models. So essentially this Deeper device will create a DPN, similar to a VPN network on your home network at home, and then you'll be rewarded in cryptocurrency for providing sharing bandwidth on that network. Now next, let's go over where I purchased my Deeper Connect Mini. I purchased mine on December 21st, 2021 from fastminers.io here at this website. It took about 9 days to be delivered to my door. When I purchased it, my price was $449. You can see now on this website it's now going for $399. And the thing with the purchase is you need to purchase it with USDC on the Ethereum network. So you'll need to purchase it using cryptocurrency. And I did find actually on the Deeper website, you can actually purchase this miner for quite a bit cheaper. I have not purchased from this website before, but you can see it's currently going for $314 and is in stock on their website. So I would recommend purchasing this miner from them directly, especially since the price is so much less than the website that I purchased from. Okay, next I want to review Deeper on CoinMarketCap. DPR or Deeper Network is the coin that you're rewarded in cryptocurrency for hosting this DPN. It's currently trading for 0.057 cents per coin. It's ranked number 421 in terms of coin market cap. It's got a market cap of 71 million, and its contracts are traded on the Ethereum and the Binance smart chains. In here you can see an all-time chart. This coin started trading in April of 2021, so we have just over a year of trading activity for this coin. You can see we are down considerably from those all-time highs. So if we could see some potential upside in the price here over the next few months, it could contribute to a much more profitable reward system for this device. And then one thing I do want to review here is in order to receive mining rewards for this device, you actually do need to stake Deeper. You need a minimum of 1,000 Deeper staked to start earning daily rewards. And you can see here, this chart here at the bottom, the more Deeper you do stake, the more Deeper daily earnings you potentially earn. So there you have a credit score system where the more Deeper you're staking, the higher your credit score, so the more daily earnings potential you have. So I staked 61,000 Deeper. So I started off with a credit score of 600 in late December. So I'm currently earning 82.19 Deeper per day. So let's go over here real quick. How do we participate in basic mining? Users must contribute to the network by connecting to the internet and sharing bandwidth. Once on the Deeper chain, basic miners start with a credit score of 0 and must grow their organic score to 100 before Deeper can be earned. And then your credit score does increase over time as long as your device is continuing to contribute to the network. You can see these organic credit score rules. Essentially, it does these heartbeat checks, 3 random checks each day to make sure that it's connected. And if you're sharing enough bandwidth, you essentially earn credit points you earn essentially 1 credit point every other day. So your credit score will increase over time. But if your device is not connected to the network or not not sharing bandwidth, there is potential where your credit score could be decreased. And we won't go over in detail all the different rules here, but I'll link all the websites that we're visiting today in the info section below, so you can visit them at your own leisure. And then I found this other website. This gives a detailed review of how you can stake deeper so that you can start earning mining rewards. I won't go over this in detail here, but I think this is a good step-by-step directions on how to stake your deeper if you so choose to decide to go through with this. All right, and this is my deeper device currently connected to my home Wi-Fi network. You can see it gives a lot of different data points in terms of your data sharing. And let's review my mining. We'll start off. You can see here I've been earning the 82.19 deeper per day consistently every day since I've connected this to my network in late December of 2021. And you can see here my balance has just been just progressively growing every day. So right now I have a balance of just over 10,000 deeper, plus the 61,000 deeper that I had staked. And you can see my credit score started at 600 when I connected my device. That's also been progressively growing, about 1 credit score every other day. So I'm at 670 here now. So once that credit score hits 700, my device will start earning more per day than the 82. So if we go back to here, so essentially my rewards will increase by 50% once I hit that credit score of 700. So I'll go from 82 a day to just over 120 per day. And you can see my daily consumed traffic is 178 megabytes and daily share traffic of 237 megabytes. So relatively small per day, but that does add up over time throughout the month to make sure that you've got enough download capacity and data usage capacity with your internet service provider so that they don't tack on additional charges or fees. Okay, next let's go through a quick break-even analysis of this Deeper Connect Mini. So if you were to purchase it today at the price of the current price on Deeper's website of $314, and you were to stake similar to what I had done, 61,000 deeper, you'd be earning 82 deeper per day at a current price of just over 5.7 cents per day. You're earning essentially $4.70 per day or $141 per month. So you're breaking even in just over 2 months, 67 days, and 0.18 years. So a very quick break even for this, but the caveat that you are staking a large amount of coins here to earn these earnings rewards. So there is an additional cost there in terms of having to stake coins to increase your earnings potential. So you can see here, total mine to date, I've mined just under 10,000 deeper. So at the current price, I've earned just under $570. Now let's take a hypothetical situation. Let's say the price of deeper goes back to its all-time highs of just over 28 cents back in April 10th, 2021. If that were to happen, my mining value would essentially increase to $2,804, and we'd be earning $23 a day and $695 a month. So potential to be extremely lucrative if the price were to increase. But a caveat, this isn't financial advice, and I'm not predicting that that'll happen anytime soon, but I'm saying there's potential for this device to be much more lucrative if the price of deeper were to increase here. All right, and next let's go over some pros and cons I've found with the Deeper Connect Mini so far. Starting off with the pros. Price. I think the price point here is relatively low compared to a lot of the other miners you see out there today. So it's very accessible for people in terms of a pretty low price point. Availability. Right now it's in stock. You can order it and it'll get to your door within 7 to 10 business days. Another pro with this device, you do earn rewards for hosting this VPN, but you also can use this as your own VPN. So if you're in the market of having to purchase a VPN because you want to access internet in a different country, or you want to avoid censorship or firewalls, you can use this as your own personal private VPN. And then like we just reviewed, there is a very fast break even on this device, but the caveat that you do need to stake a large amount of tokens to earn higher rewards. And like I mentioned there before, there is, I think, some high upside potential with this device, with it trading at near all-time lows. If the price were to increase back towards its highs, it would become extremely lucrative compared to where it is today. But even today, it's it's still got a relatively short break even, and I think there's just a lot of potential for upside if we can see an increase in the price here over time. All right, and then next, let's go over some of the cons I've found in this miner so far. Like I had mentioned, stake to earn. Unlike other mining devices where you don't have to stake and you just plug it in and earn tokens, you do need to stake a large quantity of coins to earn a substantial mining amount. And I know not everyone has the funds or the capacity or the interest to stake coins over a long period of time. So that is a potential downside with this device. Another one I've heard people mention is privacy concerns. Whenever you're hosting a VPN on your network, I think there is potential that someone could get into your network. So you really need to be careful in terms of setting these up, whether it's setting it up on its own router to make sure that people aren't accessing devices on your network and doing malicious things. And then 3, network bandwidth usage. Like I had mentioned, if you don't have unlimited data with your ISP or internet service provider, you'll want to probably turn off the restrictions because this does use some bandwidth. It's not huge amounts, but if you have other devices and you have a lot of streaming services that you're using a lot of network capacity on your network, there's potential where you could hit your bandwidth limits in terms of downloads for a month. And then next, competition. I know there are several other devices out there today that are doing a similar thing that this Deeper Connect Mini and Deeper Network is doing. So there's potential where Deeper won't be the long-term winner here, and there could be potential where competition could take share from them. And then finally, this is still a relatively new project. I know it's just over a year old now, but in the terms of long-term, that's still in its infancy. The upside is this network has grown out pretty substantially over the past year with many deeper nodes currently online. So I think there's long-term potential here, but it's still being a relatively new project that caveats some additional risk here. Well, there you have it for the Deeper Connect Mini. I personally have enjoyed having this device over the past 4 months. Despite some of the potential cons, I think the pros of this device outweigh these cons. I think the low price point, the low power usage, and the really plug and play aspect of this device makes it easier for people to get into. But you obviously have to do your own due diligence when considering cryptocurrency projects and the risk you're willing to take. But if you'd enjoy this content, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below and I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks and bye.